The model number for this Bosch freestanding range is under here. The model number is HGS 8055UC/06. Okay, my range was making a buzzing noise when you heated the oven up, and the buzzing would go away if you pressed on it in certain areas. I leveled the feet out, and that did nothing. Then I took off the back panel, and everywhere you pushed, like on this bar, it would make noise and the noise would go away again. Pressing on this sometimes made the noise go away. So I took off these screws here. I tried to shim it up. Noise would still come back. Then I discovered that if you press on this plate here, that was what was making noise. So I went in here, and there's a bar that goes across. It has two screws on either end. And what I did, I saw there was a gap underneath it. And I shoved a lock washer in there, a split washer. That puts a force on this plate, which causes it not to buzz anymore. You want to watch out. This part gets fairly hot. The rest of it's fairly cool. You can reach your hand in there if you've got small hands to move that washer into place. I used a pick tool to get underneath the bracket that's in there to pry it up and put the lock washer in place. I also used just a screwdriver to help push it back into place underneath there. This is one of those split washers. I think it's an M8. To remove this back panel, there are two screws here and 4 screws on either side. And to remove this zip tie, there's a little tab that you push up and then you can remove it. That way you'll be able to take this back cover away from the whole unit. Here's the little tab you lift up on. And then you can slide this out. Once you remove the screws and the zip tie, simply lift up and out on this back panel. Also, there are 2 short screws and 8 longer screws. The short screws go on the top up here. When putting this back cover in place, note that there are hooks here on either side that fit in this hole on either side. That'll hang it in place so you can get the screws in.